Okay, we just got our parking pass and we're headed up to meet Stefan and get ready for the trail.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Alright everybody, we're headed up the trail. Nova, what are you doing? Come on. And I think we're going to explore a little bit and then make some food. Alright guys, we're up here with the ponies, taking some pictures. Snow is awesome. It is so warm right now. I don't even know what the temperature is, but it's surprisingly warm. I don't even have my puffy on. It's just my smart wool base layer, and that's it. Ready? All right, switching to the wide angle. Nova, you had a good time with the ponies? It feels really warm, which is great, and the snow is awesome that it's still here and hasn't melted away. And yeah, I think it's only been 30 minutes, but we've had a good time.
Always a good time, isn't it?
That's right. What do you think, Nova? Good time? Okay, I'm about to show you guys the best view of this trail. It's not even at the top of the trail. It's kind of like, there's like this flat area right before it goes back up to this mountain that we're going to, our hill. But check this out.
Oh, wow. A snowdrift that was like a foot deep. Nova.
What do you think, man? Huh? I think this is good for a Sunday.
Oh yeah.
This is the best. This view right here. This view right here is killer. I just saw what you're talking about. Oh yeah. Look at the snow on those trees. That's so cool. Alright, Nova, lead the way. Crew, hiking Grayson Highlands, doing boomerangs of snow falling off the trees. Go. Can't stop filming in these rhododendron tunnels. It's so cool. This is my favorite part of hiking in North Carolina, because you have this at Grandfather Mountain and some other places where there's just this canopy that's created, and man, when it snows, yeah, it's so cool. So cool. Waiting for these guys to get back on the trail. Get some snow on you, Nova. Boots are holding up pretty well. I'm starving. Time to make some food. Come on, let's go.
He's going for it. Tell me what you're doing here. How much does this thing weigh?
All right, hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Grayson Highlands is an awesome place to go for a day hike. It's great for beginners. The parking lot is right at the trailhead, so it's easy to hop out of your car and hit the trail. We're doing things a little bit different for lunch today. Normally we'll take like a dehydrated meal, like a Mountain House, and boil water using a jet boil. But I wanted to change things up and kind of cook some real food. So I have a butane stove that I got from Walmart. It's super cheap. With a canister, it only weighs about 4 pounds, so not too bad for a day hike. But we're going to cook up some potatoes, sausage with butter, hot sauce, all the good stuff. And yeah, we're going to make lunch here in just a minute. I will have another dedicated video on the coffee maker that we're using. So today we're making coffee with the AeroPress Go. So that's the travel version of the AeroPress. So look forward to that video coming out in the future. And right now we're going to get back to lunch.
And there you have it.
That's it. It just turns on. We only use Kerrygold grass-fed butter.
This may or may not even happen. At some point, I wonder if I could.
We're actually going to be cooking lunch in the next bit of footage. So if you guys are bored, you can stop right here. But towards the end of the video, we got some awesome B-roll, and there's a couple funny things that happen while we're cooking. So enjoy.
Stepping out of 2020 then. I don't know.
No, it's the same thing. Let's see here. It might be. I don't know. I just don't think
It's got to be different. I mean, the same.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Should have had you cut your.
Oh, here, you haven't held it. Here. You'll laugh. You'll be like, I thought of that idea. Yeah, it can cook way, way faster than I ever thought it would.
Man, if you're gonna have this, I'm gonna make coffee for you.
Oh, that's actually really funny.
Depends on how.
Oh shoot! Luckily though, I bet that's already cooled down.
Oh no.
No? Oh, nope. Never mind.
I'm gonna do this in 2 parts. Too much.
That is really dope, dude.
This is crazy, man. Like, I can't believe this is actually
Oh my
cooking
goodness,
so well.
the amount of butter, sir.
Huh?
I said, oh my goodness, the amount of butter,
It
sir.
calls for criminal amounts of butter.
Man, that's what chefs do, man. That's how you cook. I mean, that's how much I put in the bulletproof coffee cup.
Hell yeah.
All right. Cheers.
Cold milk. These are great because they're like chips almost.
Yeah.
So not. I feel like I'll get
Everybody smell.
God. Did you grind that?
Yeah, this morning. Sounds good, boy.
Hey Nick, I'm gonna cut that sausage while you do the coffee.
Okay.
That's going. I get to stop it.
Garbage out. Garbage out.
I did, yeah.
You guys are ruining my
No, no.
Nova.
You gotta pull the whole pack over. Stop. Sit down.
Nova. Oh no.
Sit. Those are called humans.
You may know them.
Can I do it?
I can also help. Stefan's gonna poop.
Yes, that will happen. No question about it. Ooh.
That's what happened. That was happening to me the whole time. Look at this.
Well, this is also my first real food of the day.
Look at this thing.
What is that? Oh no, that's awesome.
Can you see if that camera's recording?
I was gonna say, am I in the way of the camera?
I'm telling you, man.
That'd be funny if I was just like blocking it the
You
whole
would
time.
never. You would. Is it recording?
Oh, it's not recording.
Shut up.
It's recording.
Am I in frame? Like my whole
Yeah,
head?
it looks
Everything?
good. It look,
You can see everything?
yeah, Nova's behind you, but you can like see the whole.
You can see my head.
Yeah.
All right, so we're using the new Jet.
The Jet Boil Blow.
So this is the new AeroPress Go.
I want everyone. Let's see how many thumbs down Nick can get on this video.
Thanks. We're using the inversion method. There we go. We've already started up.
Oh, how do we get this going again?
It's the
That's
best,
so
man. It's just
freaking
like
easy.
on. Really good. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna press. All right, who wants the first cup? All right, guys, it's time to pack up and head back down the mountain. Lunch today was incredible. I have no idea why I don't cook like this more often when I'm on the trail. It's probably because I want to have the lightest pack possible, and I don't want to bring all this stuff with me. But for a day hike, super worth it. The AeroPress Go, incredible coffee maker. Can't wait to show you guys that full review coming up here in the future. But yeah, it's time to pack the bag, get back on the trail, and head down the mountain. All right, as you guys just saw, we had an awesome lunch. I'm going to do that just as often as I can next time we go out. What we're doing right now is just making our way to the car and taking in these killer views. I mean, it's great up here. Nova, have you got your energy out so that you can be nice to the ponies? Since this is their house. No, Nova, no. Nope. There you go, good girl.
She's like, I don't give a shit.
That's awesome. All right, let's go. Which one? Oh, that one right there?
I think that's the dad.
Nice. Yeah, his mane's nice.
Dad came back and was like, "Does this dog bother you?"
Okay. We're heading out. We'll see you guys later. So nice. So nice. No. Don't do that. No, back up. Back. Hey, guys. No, we go. No. Hey, come on. Okay. Coming back down. Made it through the fence. Just got one more gate. And we'll be back to the car. All right, guys, this is the end of the trip. As soon as we make it down this trail, We'll come to the last gate, and that'll take us up a little walkway path up to the parking area. And that'll be the trip. It's so nice today. Clear skies. I don't know what the temperature is. I'll probably put it at the bottom of the video. But Nova did really well. Her boots held up. She used them the whole way. So pretty happy about that. And yeah, cooking food, that was a major win. I'm gonna do that as much as possible. Head back to the van. Just in time, because everything's turning to slush. All right, there's the van. That's it. The trip is officially over. Had a great time, and we'll do it again very soon. All right, coming down the mountain, we're all gonna stop in the city, grab some Mexican, and call it a day. Yeah, can't get over how much the weather was just so perfect. Not that much wind. Just great to hang out, kick off the new year. Hopefully we'll be doing a big spring trip this year, so looking forward to that. Look at that view. It's awesome. Do a little spring trip. Until next time, see you guys